Hello everyone, my name is Dion Wright, and today I'm going to teach you a net and wall game called Megaball. This is the setup for Megaball. As you can see, the crosses are the students. The red square is the hotspot, and the light tan gray squares is the opponent's zone, and the circle with the X in it is the Megaball. And also the red triangles are the cones. The object of this game is to step with the opposite foot and throw the mega ball into the hot zone for it to bounce into your opponent's zone for points. As you can see, the student on the left threw the mega ball to the hot zone, hot spot to the opponent's zone. Modifications and cues. You could use larger playing areas and make it playing 2 versus 2 instead of just 1 versus 1 playing. You can also use bigger balls to make it easier to catch. When playing, you need to make sure you step with the opposite foot, and while we're catching, you want to have hand-eye coordination, and you also want to watch the ball all the way in. Again, this game is called Megaball, and it is a second grade net and wall game.